Hello friends, welcome once again to Master Python for 2024. In this comprehensive tutorial, I will be taking you through an exciting journey into the world of Python programming, equipping you with the skills that you need to excel in your coding endeavors. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills or coding skills or knowledge, these tutorials will cover the latest updates, best practice, and essential tools for Python in 2024. What will you learn? Okay, you will learn, one will be the fundamentals of Python programming and its application, and two will be the advanced techniques, optimize your coding skills, and then insights into Python libraries and frameworks that are trending in 2024. And also we'll learn how to build projects. We'll dive into how to start building projects, and also we'll take on hands-on coding exercises. Join us as we unlock the power of Python and set you on the journey to becoming a proficient Python programmer. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and also click on that notification bell icon to stay up to date with our latest content. Right now, let's take a quick look at how these series are structured to help you achieve these goals. Firstly, we'll start with the basics, covering Python installation, setting up your development environment, and also an introduction to Python syntax. Then from there, we'll advance into topics like data structure, object-oriented programming, and also libraries that are trending in 2024. By the end of this tutorial or this series, we will not only understand Python fundamentals, but we will also be equipped with advanced skills to create your own impressive projects. All right. Let's meet in the second part of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.